If you're considering Cleanster for your cleaning service or business, you're likely wondering whether it's the right fit for you. Stick around because in this video, I'll be walking you through 7 essential things you should know before making your purchase, including what Cleanster offers, how it compares to its competitors, and the unique benefits it brings to the table. First off, Cleanster is an all-in-one cleaning management software that promises to streamline everything from booking to billing. If you're coming from a platform like Jobber or Housecall Pro, you might already know what kind of features you need: scheduling, client management, payment processing, but Cleanster offers a more intuitive design with some fresh features that make it stand out. The second thing to know is Cleanster's pricing structure. It's easy to be put off by upfront costs, especially when other platforms seem to offer basic plans at competitive rates. What's great about Cleanster is that while it might not always be the cheapest, you get a lot for your money. The software gives you a comprehensive suite of tools, from real-time team tracking to client reviews and service reports. Plus, they offer a free trial, which lets you test everything out with zero commitment, something not all competitors provide. Next thing to note is Cleanster's user interface. If you've ever used other cleaning management software, you know how overwhelming the learning curve can be. Cleanster stands out with its intuitive, easy-to-navigate interface. You won't need to be a tech whiz to figure it out, something that can't be said about some of the more complex competitors out there. The fourth thing is Cleanster's scheduling and dispatch features. These are game changers for businesses with multiple teams or last-minute changes. The system allows you to seamlessly assign jobs, send notifications to clients, and even track the time spent on site. Compared to other platforms like Service Titan, Cleanster has this task down to an art, streamlined and easy to manage. Next up, Cleanster's customer support. When you're running a business, good customer support is essential. I've tested the support on Cleanster and it's solid. Their live chat and phone support have been responsive, and the knowledge base is full of helpful tips. Many competitors struggle to offer consistent support, but Cleanster has really nailed it, offering help when you need it most. Another important point to consider is Cleanster's invoicing and payments. You can automate invoice generation and have clients pay directly through the platform. It's a simple process that integrates well with platforms like QuickBooks, making tax time a lot less stressful. The system is also great for managing recurring billing if you have regular clients, something you might not find as easily on other platforms without additional add-ons. Lastly, the one thing that might make you lean toward Cleanster over other services is the added layer of customization it offers. Whether you're a residential cleaner or a commercial service, Cleanster lets you personalize workflows and templates to suit your business. Not all cleaning management software offers this level of flexibility, which makes Cleanster a great choice if you have specific needs. If you're ready to dive in and try Cleanster for yourself, I highly recommend clicking the first link in the description below. You'll get the best offer and an exclusive free trial to experience all these features firsthand. In conclusion, Cleanster is an excellent choice for cleaning businesses of all sizes. With its user-friendly design, powerful features, and reliable customer support, it stands out as one of the most robust solutions in the market. If you want to give it a try with zero risk, click the first link below to get your exclusive offer and start your free trial today.